Khalsa Waheguru Ki Fateh. Dear students, beta I hope you all are fine. So today beta we will start the next exercise 14.3. Okay, so let's start it. In this exercise beta we will again learn about the construction of triangles. Now it is how it is different from the previous one exercise. In that previous exercise 14.2, all the three sides, the length of the sides were given. Okay, so here maybe one side length is given, two sides length will be given, or there may be one or two angles will be given to you. So you need to construct the angles according to that given statement. Okay, and then we will be able to construct the triangle. Okay ji. So here as you can see the first statement, draw a triangle PQR. So the name of the triangle is given, that is PQR, in which PQ will be equal to 3.8 centimeters. So PQ line segment length should be 3.8 centimeter. Angle Q is equal to 75 degrees. So angle Q should be 75 degree and PR. Now beta you can see here the length of two sides is given and one angle is given. Angle is given 75 degree and the second side is given 5 centimeter. Okay, so let's do the construction of this triangle. Firstly we will draw the rough sketch of the diagram. Okay, so the name of the triangle was PQR. Same name I have used. PQ length they have given 3.8 centimeter. So we will draw this line segment 3.8 centimeter. Okay, 75 degree angle Q should be there and 5 centimeter PR should be there. Okay, so this is the rough sketch I have drawn. Now let's start the construction of it. So first of all what we need to do, we need to draw a straight line. That length should be 3.8 centimeter. So you can see here it is 3.8 centimeter I have already drawn. Okay, now after that, okay, so this is P and this is Q point. So angle of 75 degree should be on this point na? So let's draw the angle of 75 degree. How to construct? So first of all, for making the 75 degree angle we need to construct the angle that is of 90 degree. Okay, clear? So एक minute, listen. So 90 degree, if we can subtract 15 from it, then we will be able to get a 75 degree. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to firstly construct the angle of 90 degree, then from that we will take out 15 degree. Okay, 15 degree we will take out, then the rest remaining part will be 75 degree. Okay, so for that first of all, as you already know that how to construct the angle of 90 degree, same procedure we will follow. We will for making the angle of 75 degree, what I did, firstly 3.8 centimeter line and I have extended it in the dotted line. Okay, in dots I have extended it. Now after that, by taking OQ as a center point with any radius, I will draw an arc on it. Okay, just a minute. So by taking this as a center, so we will construct like this. Okay, after making the line this, now by taking this as a center, where you can, it seems that it is intersecting the dotted line, from there we will construct and we will mark an arc here. So beta when we will mark this one line, this one arc, this is the angle of 60 degree. Okay, from 60 when we will again make one more arc, this will be 120 degree. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to bisect it. So by taking this point as a center, we will draw an arc here. By taking this one as another center, we will intersect this arc. Okay, at the point where the two arcs are intersecting, by passing through that line, that point, we need to draw a straight line. Okay, so this is the angle of 90 degree. From here to here it is 90 degree na. So what I need to do now, I need to remove 15 degree. Okay, so okay, this was 60 degree, this was again 60 degree. From here to here it is 120 degree. So beta 60 तो लेके तो तक द पार्ट भी 60 है ना. So what we need to do, here it is 60. now 60 the half कितना हो गया बेटा, this is 30 degree ना. from here to here I can say that it is 30 degree and this is also 30 degree। कितना सानू पता लगा कि ये जिहड़ा टोटल जिहड़ा आ वो साडे कोल ਇਹ भी 60 डिग्री है। किस तरह पता लगा बेटा, ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਾਈਸੈਕਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਨਾ। सो ਇਹ टोटल साडे कोल 60 सी, ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਾਈਸੈਕਟ ਡਰਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਫਿਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਐਂਗਲ ਆ ਗਿਆ, ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ 90 डिग्री। ਨਾਓ फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੇਟਾ ਇਹਦਾ ਪੂਰੇ 30 डिग्री ਦਾ ਹਾਫ ਕੀਤਾ, ਜਦੋਂ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਦਾ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਬਚ ਗਿਆ 30 डिग्री ਨਾ, ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਫਰੋਮ ਹੇਅਰ ਟੂ ਹੇਅਰ ਇਟ ਵਾਜ਼ 60 डिग्री। ਇੱਥੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਬਚ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ 30 डिग्री। ਨਾਓ ਇਫ ਵੀ ਡੂ ਦ ਬਾਈਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਇਟ, ਬਾਈਸੈਕਟਰ ਵੀ ਡਰਾ ਦ ਬਾਈਸੈਕਟਰ ਆਫ ਦਿਸ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ, ਇਟ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ equal to 15 degree। so same we draw here by taking this point as a center where the 90 degree angle is crossing the line. From this point we will draw an arc, and from this point by taking this as a center we will draw one another arc where the arc is intersecting. From passing through that point we need to draw a straight line with any length। okay, clear? now after this in the statement that there was given this PR line should be 5 centimeters. so what I need to do, I need to firstly open my compass of 5 centimeter। okay, so here it is 5 centimeter, I will open it till this। okay, now what I need to do, by taking P point as a center I will intersect the line segment that is QR। ठीक है जी, QR जिथे मैं लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ, जिथे मैं एंगल ड्रॉ किया सी उस पॉइंट तो मैं एक आर्क ड्रॉ करांगे। आई विल ड्रॉ एन आर्क, ओके, विच विल इंटरसेक्ट इट एट दिस पॉइंट, इट इज़ 5 सेंटीमीटर। नाउ वेयर द दिस आर्क इज इंटरसेक्टिंग द लाइन सेगमेंट QR from that point and point P, I will join this by using the scale। clear? understood? I hope you have understood it। so our triangle PQR is ready। okay, so this point where the arc is intersecting, this name I will give R। so I have the triangle PQR whose one side is 3.8 centimeter, another is 5 centimeter, and it has the angle that is 75 degree। okay, clear? so now other things I am going to explain the other two statements। you will draw the diagrams or you will construct the triangles by yourself। so second statement is draw a triangle XYZ। the triangle XYZ we need to make in which XY is equal to XZ, means these two line segments should be 4.7 centimeter। okay, and angle X should be equal to 105 degree। so इत्थे बेटा तुसी मेन कंस्ट्रक्शन केदी चेक करोगे 105 degree दी। okay, so how to draw the angle of 105 degree। now after that you need to measure the angle Y as well as angle Z। जो तुसी एंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट कर लोगे, ट्रायंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट कर लोगे, at the end you need to check that what is the measure of angle Y and what is the measure of angle Z। okay, clear? I will explain you the construction of 105 degree, but before that I am going to explain the statement number 3 to you। draw a triangle। now we need to draw a triangle ABC। the length of each side, its side is 105 centimeter, means all the sides length should be 105 centimeter, and angle A equal to angle C equal to 45 degree, and angle A and C should be equal to 45 degree। okay, what type of a triangle is it, or you need to also tell that what is the type of triangle which has been made। okay, so here you need to mainly focus on the construction of 45 degree angle। okay, so I am going to tell you the construction of 105 degree as well as the construction of 45 degree। clear? so let's see beta, this is the angle of 45 degree। so the construction of 90 degree angle, you know that how to construct। okay, now 90 degree, so what is the half of 90 degree? the half of 90 degree is 45 degree। it means if we will draw the bisector of 90 degree, that means we will get the angle of 45 degree। okay, beta bisector of any angle means किसी भी एंगल ਨੂੰ दो equal parts ਵਿੱਚ divide करना। okay, bisecting the angle means to dividing the angle into two equal parts। Okay, so here if I have made 90 degree already, I have made and I have explained you many times, so I hope you have understood that how to do the construction of 90 degree. Now I am going to tell you how to do the bisector of it. For drawing the bisector of it, okay beta, so the 90 degree angle is intersecting at point here A, which I have given the name that is A, as point intersect कर रहा है ना आँख नू 90 degree ਦਾ angle, एंड बेटा इस पॉइंट ते इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है 90 डिग्री का एंगल, और एज वेल एज हेयर ऑन द बेस लाइन इट इज़ इंटरसेक्टिंग हेयर. सो from this point and this point, by taking one as a center one time, like B point if I take as a center with any radius, open your compass, place your compass on point B and mark an arc. Okay, now by keeping the A as a center point, keeping your compass needle on point A, you need to intersect that arc. So this will be the bisector of it. At what point the two arcs are intersecting each other, passing through that point, we need to draw a line till the center of the angle like this. Okay, clear? So this will be your 45 degree angle. Means if you will see from here to here, it will be 45 degree. From here to here, it will be also 45 degree. You can check it by using your प्रोडक्टर. ओके, तुसी अपनी प्रोडक्टर डी नू यूज़ करके इनू चेक कर सकते हो. क्लीयर? नाउ लेट्स बेटा मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट एंगल 105 डिग्री. ओके, सो इफ यू विल रिमेंबर व्हेन वी मेड द एंगल ऑफ 75 डिग्री, असी की कीता सी 90 डिग्री माइनस 15 डिग्री ना. सो इफ आई विल एड 90 डिग्री प्लस 15 डिग्री, इट विल बी इक्वल टू 105 डिग्री, है ना. सो इट मीनस जिमें असी 75 की कंस्ट्रक्शन की सी, सेम लाइक दैट वी विल डू द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ 105 डिग्री ऑल्सो. सो फॉर दैट अगेन वी विल मेक द एंगल ऑफ 90 डिग्री. ओके, सो आफ्टर दैट this was I told you that from here to here this is 60 degree, from here to here it is 60 degree. Okay, so as 60 degree दी बेटा आप bisector करके from this to this point, that by doing the bisector of these two points we get the angle of 90 degree. Okay, means from here to here we get that is 30 degree, from here to here it was also 30 degree. Okay, now असी की करना है 30 दा हाफ करना है. if we will do the half of 30 then we will be able to get the 15 degree. so what I need to do here, so from this point, by taking this point as a center or by taking this point as a center, we need to draw two arcs. Okay, by taking this as a center I will draw an arc like this. Okay, by taking this point now as a center I will intersect this one arc. Clear? So at which point these two arcs are intersecting each other, by passing through this point I will draw a straight line till the center of the angle. Okay, clear? Okay ji. So beta from here to here this is the angle of 105 degree. Clear? Now beta I have explained you the construction of 75 degree angle, 45 degree angle and 105 degree angle. All these three angles are needed for this exercise. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to do the construction of the triangles, and I hope you will be able to do it by yourself. Thank you beta ji. Have a nice day. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.